Good morning, all you Prathom students, and welcome to another YouTube online Wantasili video lesson. I can't be with you today. I've got to go to the doctor. So we've got a YouTube lesson, but I'll see you on Monday. Today we're going to talk about questions and question words. We use them all the time, but what are they? So let's have a look at our morning question cards, and we'll take a look now. So we all know what this question is. It is, what is your name? So we'll use that as the first of our question words. So I write that on the board. And how do you write the word what? Can you remember? I can give you a hand. What? Let's get my pen out and rewrite what. Here we go. Write it down here. Here we go. And that's the first of our question words. What? So you can use what. So that's what is your name? And there's many questions that start with what. Okay. The next question we can ask is, I've been asking you for 5 years. What's this question? Do you know? It's the how. How old are you? And do you know how to write how? We write how like that. How. How old are you? So that's the how question. Okay. So we've had the what question and the how question. And the next question we can ask is, and it's this question. And can you remember that question? It's the where. Where do you come from? I come from Thailand. That's the where question. So and we write where like that. Where. So we've got what, how, where. Okay. And this is our next question. That's another, can you remember this question? It is, that's right, it's a where question. Where do you live? Where do you live? And that's, I live in Peachit, I live in Nakhon Sawan. You all know that one. Okay. Another question we ask, so that one there is what? So what question? What school do you go to? Now then, this is a question I've been asking for a long time. That's the little boy and the little girl. And do you know what question that is? It's a who question. It's a who question. And Do you know how to write the word who? Get my board out and my pen and I'll show you. Who? Who? So we've got what, how, where, and who. Good. Finish our questions here. What about this one? It's a what question. What fruit do you like? Okay. And the answer is I like, let's say, I like bananas. And I could ask you why? It's another question. Why? How do you write that? Why? Tamai. Why? And why? Why? So we've got what, how, where, who, and why. There's one more question word that I'd like you to know today, and it's the question today. So look, who, what? Ah, okay, and it's the when. When do you go to school? What time or when? When did you come? When? That's a W. Who, what, why, when? When did he come? When are you going? When means what time? Gimon. When? When? So these are the 6 questions, question words, and these are all questions. So these are the what, how, where, who, why, when. Okay, now then, I've got my big whiteboard here and I'm going to write some sentences on the board, and I'm going to see if you can give me which of the question words. They're pronouns, by the way. Okay, so the first one is I put the board on the long way. There's too much to write. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I'll put it a bit closer so you can see. And it says, time did you wake up? So what's the question word we need to put here? Time did you wake up? And it is, that's right, what? what time did you wake up? Okay, next one. That says, is your best friend? Is your best friend? Let's try to get the light away from the board there. That's a bit better. Okay, so okay, so that way, that's better. Okay, is your best friend? So board here. These are all the question words here. What, how, where, who, why, when. So is your best friend? It's a who question. W H O. Who. Okay. I asked you this one this morning on our question. I have a question. Are you from? Okay. I normally ask, do you come from? But that's the same. Are you from? And it is, what's the question word here? It's, that's right, where? Where are you from? It's a where question. Where are you from? Okay. This says, are you sad? But don't forget, it's another question. So you're asking someone, are you sad? So is it who, where, what, when, why, where? That's right. It is why am I? Why are you sad? Okay. Gonna rub the top ones off. Okay, good. Next question I'm going to ask. Oops. Is your birthday? So you can this a bit better. Is your birthday? So can you remember the question word we use with is your birthday? That's the question. It is, so it's a time question, and we use the question pronoun when. W H E N. When is your birthday? Okay. Much is it? So when you go into a shop, we did that, I think it was Incredible English 2. Do you remember we were looking at how much things were? But it was all in pounds, wasn't it? So much is it? So what's a question? We use the question word How. How much is it? It's the how question. Okay. One more, and I'll let you go. Because I know you're very busy with your lessons. We've had the how, we've had the where, we've had the what, the why, and the who. So if you can think up of some questions and some question words that you can use, that might be a fun thing to do. I'll post a worksheet for you to do over the weekend. And remember, the words we're using, these are the question pronouns, are how, where, what, when, why, and who. And these are all words that are very important to know in English because we use them all the time. It's in everyday conversation. Okay, well, I'm sorry I couldn't be with you today, but I hope you enjoyed this short lesson. Thank you very much, and I will see you on Monday. Bye-bye.